today let's see how to make rice broth, which is nutritious, healthy. It can be added to kids meal. You can add it while making soup, when you're making sauce, or even when you're making rotis or puris. You can make a dough using the rice broth. Take rice. You can take white rice or brown rice. Brown rice is more healthier version, although it will take some time to cook it. Rinse it 2 to 3 times with water to make sure it's clean, and we are going to drain the water. You can use this water to water the plants. And now I have rinsed and drained rice ready. Boil the water. Boil about 3 cups of water for half cup of rice. Add rice to this boiled water. Let it cook on medium heat for about 20 to 25 minutes. You can add water as needed. Stir rice every 10 minutes, and you're going to cook the rice until it is nicely cooked, because we are going to use the broth which is going to carry all the nutrients of rice. And once it's completely cooked, cool it down for a few minutes. And alternately, you can also use pressure cooker for 2 to 3 whistles. So once it's cooled down, strain the rice and collect the rice broth. If you want a thicker rice broth, then you can take a few spoons of cooked rice and just crush it in the strainer, or you can use the blender, and you'll get a thicker version of rice broth. You can add this rice broth to kids meal. You can also serve this thicker version of rice broth to kids which are like 6 months or more, and you can add some ghee or a little bit of salt if your baby is a little bit older, and serve this nutritious meal. You can add this to soups. You can add while making sauce or when making roti. Make your roti more nutritious by adding this rice broth. So I hope you're going to try this, and let me know in your comments if you have any questions and your experiences. Thank you for watching. Have a great day ahead.